Hey everyone, this is Mr. Isometric, and in this video you will learn on how you can texture bake from one UV map to another. So I'm making this gun game assets for free. Link will be in the description. So as you can see, its topology and its mesh and its UV unwrap, everything is horrible. As this is just a semi-realistic game asset, so it doesn't really matter, but most of my subscribers are game devs and Blender enthusiasts, so this trick will be really helpful for everyone. So once you do project from view and map everything to your asset, now you want to export it into some kind of a 3D game software or any other software, so you need maps, and to have such overlapping UVs, it is really bad. So what do you want to do is you want to convert this into non-overlapping UVs. So how do you do that? Well, we'll just find out right now. So before baking, apply all the mirror modifiers you have, and once you do that, and then you can go to the object data properties, go inside these UV tabs, make a new UV map, and let's make it baked. So with that selected and our main camera on our original UV map, what you need to do right now is create a new image texture. And once you create a new image texture, you need to have a UV map, and let's plug baked into it, and also over here you will have a UV map, and just plug that right into over there, and we will select our original UV map. And now once you do that, we also want a UV editor. Let's remove this image, let's focus over there, and then with the bake selected, go into the edit mode, and then you to unwrap. And now you can do two things. You can just unwrap with marking the seams, or you can just directly do it with Smart UV project. So let it be at the 66. We'll click OK, and then you can open up this panel, and you can see your UVs over there. So now you can change the angle limit. You can make this angle limit to somewhat like 30 or anything you want. I'll keep it at 66, but I'll change this to 0.03. so this way everything just gets spread out equally. And now once you do that, get out of the edit mode, and then you need to create a new image for this image texture. So I'm creating a 4K texture, so multiply that number by 4, and let's create a World War pistol. This color doesn't matter, you can choose anything you want, and then just hit OK. Also I think I'll add color to it. Yep, and let's just click OK. So with that setup done, make sure that you are in the bake, and then let's just go into the render properties, change this to cycles, and then you can also change it to GPU if your GPU is faster. My CPU is faster, so I won't change it. And now what I will do is I will go down, and inside over here it will defaultly set to the combined, set it to diffuse, because we need this base channel which is diffuse. Let me just turn on the texture. Okay, we are on the textures. Let's go to the material preview, and as you can see, with the no triangular add-on, I will leave this image, and in that image this is the file we need to bake. So now what we want to do is we need to turn down this metallic shader, because no image were connected into that. So yeah, and now what we will do is we will select our image we just created, and then we will deselect this to both of these options, and then we will just click on bake. and it is baking down right here. Also, one thing to notice, I forgot to mention, make sure your render samples are very low. And once it's done, your image texture is just baked like that. And as you can see, your image texture is baked on the new UV projected map. How cool is that? And now all you need to do is just go into the image, save as. There is a shortcut for it, Shift Alt S. You can press that as well. I will now World War Pistol color, reduce the compression, make it RGB, and then just save it. And once you do that, all you need to do is to now delete this, create a new image, and then you can just World War Pistol underscore. This will be our normal map. You can choose any color you want, doesn't matter. I can make it fully black. Okay, and then what we will do is we will select this, and now we can just plug metallic all the way up if you want to, doesn't matter, it only affects the color channel. Once we do that, select our image, select our object, and then over here select the normals and just hit bake, and it will just bake your normal texture to it. And as this is just our images, so render sample doesn't matter that much. And as you can see, it just baked each and every normal detail over there. How cool is that? Now you can just Alt Shift S, I think. Yep. Now just reduce the compression, no, only RGB, and then you can just World War Pistol, you can just save it, and you're done. Now all you need to do is just click on this X button, click on this plus, and then what you need to do, World War underscore Pistol, and then this will be a roughness. I think you will need a roughness, so select that, and then just roughness. And now all you need to do is select that, and then just click on bake. And once you do that, your roughness map will be baked over here. But as you can see, I think I have a really slight roughness changes, so I don't think that's pretty useful. But if you have a nice roughness, then go for it. I just plugged my original image with the color ramp and then just plugged it into the roughness. So yeah, so I'm done with this image texture. So that's how you bake your image textures. Hope you all like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and the link will be in the description below. I'm making this game asset. As you can see, I've made a M4, an AK-47 and a 9mm pistol and a World War pistol. So I'm making a FPS game tutorial, but before that I think I will make a multiplayer game tutorial. Yeah, so yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this video if you like it, and bye bye, see you in the next video.